Alright, so we have a little project here. So what I'm planning to do is that I'm gonna need a 12 volt source, like a cigarette light connector, right? And I want it in the back of my truck for for accessories reason, for anything that you need, for like especially I need it for my airbag, to fill up my airbags here. I have two airbags installed in this vehicle. So in order for me to use a small compressor, just want to put a 12 volt source in here in the back, so I don't have to use all the way to the front. I don't have to use the 12 volt source over there. So if I have it here, then it's easy and quick. So let's install this. So first we're gonna have to find your place, but for me I think this is the best part, the best place here for this particular plug, because you have the trailer plug here and the accessories should be here, and the wire should be gonna be connected to these trailer wires here. So let's do it. Alright, I finally decided to put the plug here, because there's a already existing hole in here, so that's where I put the plug. So all you have to do is just open it, and there you go, you have a plug, and close. So make sure you always close this, because you don't want contamination gets in there. And yeah, and also the plug on this on the back, I pull it out, it's right here, and I connect to the red wire. Is your positive, that's where you connect. The good thing about this, it has also fuse, so line fuse, so it should be safety for safety purposes. And now after this, I'm gonna have to tape it and make sure everything is closed so that it will not expose to the element. So alright, so that's the ground, and everything is set up. So as you can see, let's try it. So here's my motor, here's the plug, so here's our 12 volt source. Just open it, plug it in, and voila. So let's try to pull up the airbag. Right, so what we have, so we pretty much have 17 psi. I basically fill this up to 20, so maybe I'm gonna go to 30 this time, because I'm going to pull a trailer today. So let's okay, so let's do this. Okay, and let's turn it on. So you set it up to 20, and then it will stop when it reaches 20. So you have to turn it on after, right here. Okay, so right now we're pretty much 21.5. All right, that's it. Right, so that's 21.5 psi. Let's fill up the other side. The other side is around 15 psi. So all we have to do is just turn it up and on, set it up to 20. So turn it up and then on. There you go. So automatically it will stop at 20 psi. Let's see. There you go. That should be it. Right now it's on 24. 21. That's it. That's it. So the plug, that very helpful. I don't have to go to the front. So just when you're done, pull it, push the cover properly, and you're good. Thank you for watching.